Good morning to all. Today we are discussing Unit 3 Molecular Rearrangement. What is meant by rearrangement? Rearrangement, we are all know about rearrangement reactions. Rearrangement reaction is an organic reaction where the carbon skeleton of a molecule is rearranged to give structural isomer of the original molecule. Mostly, a substituent moves from one atom to another atom in the same molecule. Generally, it involves migration of a group from one atom to adjacent atom having 6 electrons in the valency shell. Generally, we are know the definition of rearrangement. One molecule rearranged to give another molecule. The rearranged atom may be within the molecule or between two molecules. There are some types of molecules, molecular rearrangements. They are classified on the nature of migration group or atom. They are classified based on the nature of the migrating group or atom, where the migrating group migrates with its electron pair, then it is known as nucleophilic or anisotropic. Anisotropic rearrangement reactions. Next one, the migrating group migrates without its electron pair, then it is known as electrophilic or cationitropic. Last one, free radical migrating group migrate with only one electron. There is only difference. The migrating group go with its electrons, then it is known as nucleophilic, where the migrating group migrates without its electron pair, then it is known as cationitropic, whereas the migrating group migrates only with one electron, then it is known as free radical migrating. The rearrangement can take place in two possible ways. One is intramolecular. We are all know intramolecular. Intra means between one molecule, within the molecule, whereas inter means between two molecules. Intramolecular rearrangement. The migrating group migrates to another atom within the same molecule, then it is known as intramolecular, INTRA, whereas the migrating group migrates to another atom of different molecule, then it is known as intermolecular rearrangement. First rearrangement, pinacol-pinaclone rearrangement. Pinacol-pinaclone rearrangement. The acid catalyzed rearrangement of 1,2 diols are vicinal diols. Vicinal means adjacent atoms. Acid catalyzed rearrangement of 1,2 diols are vicinal diols to form ketones or aldehydes with elimination of water molecule is known as pinacol-pinaclone rearrangement. For example, we are taking pinacol. Pinacol means 1,2 diol or vicinal diol. For this, we are taking an example like this. This is known as pinacol. It is undergoes rearrangement in presence of acid, that is we are taking dilute H2SO4. On heating by the elimination of water molecule to form pinacolone. CH3. This is the we are taking pinnacle and forms pinacolone on rearrangement in presence of acid by the elimination of water molecule. For this we are taking this pinnacle molecule mechanism. We are taking this pinnacle molecule which undergoes on reaction in presence of acid. Oxygen atom having lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons attracts hydrogen to form a molecule like this. COH2 CH3 COH CH3 CH3 to form this. This is on elimination of water molecule. From here elimination of this molecule to form CH3 C with positive charge OH CH3 CH3. The next step, migration of methyl group. This is a rearrangement reaction. Migration of this methyl group from this carbon atom, this or this methyl group to this carbon. This methyl group migrate with its electrons to form a compound like this. Here positive charge and it is having a negative charge CH3 CH3 COH CH3. Here CH3 molecule migrates with its electrons and here forms a plus charge. Migration of CH3 group. And here in the last step, elimination of hydrogen. From here elimination of hydrogen, H plus is eliminated and it gets a negative charge. Here positive charge. This negative and positive forms a bond like this. CH3 C CH3 and here CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is pinacolone rearrangement. First, what is pinacolone rearrangement? This is a acid catalyzed rearrangement of 1,2 diols to ketones or aldehyde. We are taking a diol and it forms a ketone or aldehyde in presence of acid, then it is known as pinacolone rearrangement. For this it involves 3 steps. First step is protonation of the hydroxyl group. This hydroxyl group is protonated in presence of acid to form a molecule like this. Here it is having a positive charge. And the next step followed by elimination of water molecule to form a carbocation. This carbocation undergoes rearrangement by the migration of methyl group to form another carbocation. From this carbocation elimination of proton to form pinacolone. This is the pinacolone rearrangement.